Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Kim with Pink Squirrel Studios. If this is your first time here, thanks for dropping in. If you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back. So today I have a Dollar Tree haul for you and some news. And I've been stuck in my office for quite some time, so I thought I'd just do the haul here or it was never going to get done. So let me go ahead and get started. This is kind of a silly little thing to get maybe, but aluminum foil. Now the thing about this is that and this is just so weird. I hope that you're able to see things, you know, that it's focusing on that instead of my monitor. But this said it's 40 square feet, and normally they have one that's, I think it's blue, and it has 25 square feet. They're the same price, so I'm trying to figure out, I mean, the other one is really thin, and so I'm just trying to figure out what the difference is. I mean, is this going to be like, you know, paper thin, since it's got so much more? But anyway, like I say, this is what this one looks like. So grab that. I also, this is the back to school time. So this is when you can get all of the good office supplies. So I grabbed this. This is more for crafting than it is for the office, but it's got the 6 little wells, and you can put quite a bit of stuff in here. It holds a lot, and I thought that this would be really convenient for taking crafts, you know, around the house. It'll hold pens, it'll hold glue, it'll hold all sorts of things. You could probably even put a glue gun in here and some extra little glue sticks, but I didn't have one. I've got some of the ones that they have that are like the utility ones, but this I would say is more for, you know, crafting, schools, supplies, art, that sort of thing. So anyway, grab that. I am always needing these, so I grabbed another one. This is a pink one. Well, actually it's kind of, I would maybe call this a dusty lavender, but they're the plastic ones, or I don't know, is that what they're made out of? I don't know. That's, I mean, they feel like plastic. And it has a snap enclosure, and these are just really nice to store receipts in and what have you. I also found, I had been looking for some graph paper at Dollar Tree, and I hadn't seen any in a long time. So I grabbed these. I got 2 of them, and they only have 80 sheets per package, but that should be enough for me for quite a while. It's rare that I need them, but when I do need them, I want to make sure I have some. Okay, let's see, what else do we have here? Oh, so I grabbed some more of these wooden dowels. These are still $1.25 for right now. And if you go to your Dollar Trees, at least here in the US, a lot of them will have stickers. They'll have a red sticker. I thought the red sticker meant that it had gone up in price, but not necessarily. Like, that is only $1.25. So I thought that they were the $1.50 or $1.75. It is really hard to keep track of what the price is these days. So hard. Okay, so then I found, and I know I bought one of these before, but I grabbed another one because I had an idea for some of these. And again, it's got the red sticker. I think I paid $1.25 for this black canvas, but I don't know. I'd have to look at the receipt because it's just so hard to tell in the store what you're paying. Okay, in fact, where is the receipt? Let's see. I'm sure I'll find it at some point. Okay, next up, I mean, these are just some staples. So I grabbed this. This is $1.25. I just thought it was pretty with the butterflies and stuff on it. I'll probably put it in maybe a bigger frame, or I'll do something to make it a little bit less Dollar Tree looking, I guess. Picked up some more of these because I love these. I use these all the time. And I really hope that that's focusing. The camera, because of all my equipment, the camera is so far away, I can't tell what you're seeing. Okay, so then I actually got 3 of these. These are the little photo albums, and these are different. They're kind of like a cardboard. They have cardboard cover. The other ones were plastic, soft-sided, and I needed some for my grandma brag book. So, in fact, I already used the other one, and it's in my purse. I pulled it out, put baby pictures in it, and then everywhere I go, I bore people with baby pictures. But I thought these were really pretty. I'm probably going to fill these up as well. They hold, how many do these hold? 24 photos. Now, I don't know if that means 24 total or if there are 24 pages. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm guessing they're 12 pages and they're double-sided, so that's where they're getting the 24. Okay. I also found, if I can get this open, so these Jot dry erase markers. I have dry erase boards that I use constantly, and this is a pretty good value. 2, 4, 6. So I got 8 of these for $1.25. I mean, you really can't beat that. I saw these little number cards. They're the little flash cards, and they do have pictures on them and stuff, but I got them for the actual, I really hope you can see these. I got these for the numbers. I thought they would be cute to number pages in a junk journal. Okay, then let's see. I can get all this stuff out here. I bought some more adhesive dots. And are these, yes, these are still $1.25. And I bought this size dowel rod. So I got, these are thicker than the 2 that I showed you before, and then this is 4. They're thinner, but each of them were $1.25 for who knows how much longer. So I hadn't seen this before. Refreshing, what does that say? Refreshing white green tea. These are makeup removers. You get 25 each, and I grabbed a couple of these. I buy them all the time, but these are a different style. I hadn't seen this kind before, so hopefully I like those. And then, of course, I don't know why these are for my journals and stuff. I got more stickers. I just can't help it. I love the Dollar Tree stickers. If they keep going up in price, I may not love them as much. And I mean, I've got sticker paper. I should just print them at home, but anyway. And I grabbed this Farmhouse Coffee, Flour, Sugar. I thought this was cute. And this is a rub-on transfer. Oh, let's see. Then I got some more puffy stickers. I love these. They're just so pretty. I so hope that that camera is picking these up. If I go back through and edit this and find out that it didn't pick anything up, I'm gonna be so mad. Okay, so then I got, and I have to explain a little bit why I got these. So the day before I went to Dollar Tree, I happened to see a video. The channel is the Posh Paper Lady, and she took what I'm about to show you and made some really cool stuff with them. In fact, she's got a lot of really cool stuff on her channel. I love to watch her, so I will link her below, and I will try and find the video that I saw this and link that as well. But she took these desk calendars. So I grabbed 4 of these. But you see that they have this little wood piece that they sit in. Like that. And so, like I said, I grabbed 4 of them. Then there's this one. And these are all 2026 calendars. And I grabbed this one. And I grabbed this one. These are brand new to our stores. I don't know if other people have had them for a long time and we're just getting them, but these are new to our stores. So I was really excited to see that. So what she did was she took the calendar out, and then you've kind of got a little stand here, right? Well, guess what she found? Never seen these at Dollar Tree before either. These are little acrylic boards, and this size, they came, or I saw 2 sizes. They might have more, I don't know. But this one is 5 by 7, and the other one was 4 by 6. So here's what they look like. Just little acrylic boards. And I got 3 of the 5 by 7s. And I grabbed 4 of the 4 by 6s. So what she did was, like I said, she took the calendar out and then she put these in there. Now, she said, you know, there are a lot of things that you can do. I mean, you could paint them if you wanted to. She used them for pictures. And so she used magnets to hang pictures on them. Really good idea. I was thinking maybe, I mean, I think I will probably do some of that with some of the baby pictures. Then with the magnets on them, you can just change them out, you know, as the baby gets older. But I was thinking about making a sign with my Cricut. I think these would be perfect for that. I mean, there are just so many things that you could do with these. I was just so excited to see those, especially considering I saw them the next day. That never happens here. Never happens in Iowa. So then I also found, and I have been looking for one of these forever. I found the desktop vacuum in the plus section. $5. And from what I have seen numerous reviews for this little vacuum. Everybody says that it works great. It's a really good little vacuum for your desk for $5. So finally grabbed that. I was so excited. So so that will do it for this haul. I do have some news. I have resumed my travel hauls. So if you're new to the channel and you haven't seen any of these before, in fact, I think I kind of started the whole thing a few years ago, where I am hitting every Dollar Tree in the state of Iowa. Now, we used to have a lot more Dollar Trees than what we have now, but we still have quite a few, and I've still got a lot of them to visit. But I did resume the travel hauls, so I'm really excited to bring those back. A lot of fun. It's just so much fun to see what you can find in other stores that, you know, are not in your neighborhood. So anyway, stay tuned for that. If you haven't subscribed and you're interested in the travel hauls, please subscribe. I would really appreciate that. I've got a giveaway coming when I hit 500 subscribers, so I would really appreciate you helping me get there. And then we'll see who the lucky person is that wins. So I will plan on, I'll probably have this video uploaded before, I haven't even filmed the travel haul yet, but I'm really excited. And I'm really looking forward to. We had a couple days where it wasn't like 200 degrees outside, and I just don't want to travel in my vehicle when it's that hot, because I'm worried about, you know, getting too far away, having some kind of auto problem, and then not being able to get back, or having to have it towed all the way back. You know, I've been worried about that. So so I try to do it when it's a little bit cooler outside and not as miserable. And we did have some time where I was able to do that. I think I've only got probably, this Friday is going to be yucky, but I think after that, I think we might be hitting that time of year where we have decent daytime highs and then some really nice cool evenings. I also have, I'm almost done. You'll never even believe it because I've been working on this for so long, but my craft room is almost done. I have rearranged that room so many times, and I think I finally have it the way I'm going to leave it. So I have one piece of furniture. It's being handed down to me that's coming, and then I think that craft room will be done. I've got all my supplies finally organized in there for the most part. I mean, there are a few bins that could use a little bit more detail work, but it's looking really good, and I'm very happy to be almost done with that. So there's that little bit of news. I also have some videos coming on the bread machine that I made. I've had some requests. People have asked for recipes, so I've been experimenting a lot with that, and I've got some good recipes coming for that. I mean, and if you don't have a bread machine, you could always just do it in the oven. No problem. So anyway, that's what I've got coming, and I hope everybody's been doing well and that everybody's been staying cool. And that will do it for today. I'm Kim with Pink Squirrel Studios signing off. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.